Zdravím všetkých z Thajska. Welcome to my channel from Thailand. And today something from my very cheap base in Thailand. I'm booking the flight from Europe to Asia because I'm going to see my children during the holiday. They're gonna spend lots of time on the phones and eating junk food, which I hate, so I'll try my best to get them out. Takže bukujem si práve let, rezervujem si let do Ázie v septembri po prázdninách, keď deti budú doma robiť nič na telefónoch a ja sa budem snažiť ich vyhnať. Takže dneska vám ukážem v podstate dve najlacnejšie možnosti, ktoré máte, keď chcete letieť do Ázie. Do Ázie. Juhovýchodnej Ázie. Takže ja letím do Bangkoku, takže ak chcete ísť špeciálne do Bangkoku, tak najlepšia bude táto letecká spoločnosť. So if you want to go Bangkok, the best will be this airlines, which got amazing plane. They got Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, and they fly, we're gonna have one way, and they fly for Oslo, so and we're going to Bangkok. So I'm not gonna show you how to get to Oslo. There is, I don't know, Ryanair fly to Oslo, so be careful. There are two airports, so you will have to count. You have like 160 kilometers distance between both of them, so you have to count probably 4 or 5 hours to transport, so be clever, don't make mistake. So I'm going from Oslo. I won't buy that ticket because this ticket is actually maybe a little bit cheaper than normally because they got promotion, birthday promotion. Takže tieto lístky budú trošku lacnejšie ako normálne, lebo majú promotion ďalšie 4 dni. Takže ak si chcete zabukovať flight, tak asi to bude lepšie urobiť rýchlo. Turn off the light. So as you can see, these last minute flights are not cheap. July, end of the July, 215 euro. And now I'm looking at end of the October, so 189 is the cheapest possibility, but I will book this one because my kids got a holiday till here. So Monday, they go to school on Monday. So I will pay extra 26 pounds. So this is where I'm gonna book. And this is the cheapest possibility, economy. As I said, I'm not gonna book flight to Oslo because those are cheap. I will wait on that one. Takže ako som povedal, nebukujem let do Osla, lebo tie budú lacné, ale tento môže ísť hore, ako ste videli. Last minute lety sú 500. A nie len to, teraz majú promotion táto letecká spoločnosť. Má promotion as a birthday, so these flights are probably a little bit cheaper. What can happen as well, if you buy these tickets and they got the free seats here, they will offer you discount on this one, so probably for another 30 euro you will get this. And if I get it, I will probably take it, because I will use this 23 kilograms. I all like to bring something big and heavy like this, for example, DIN-audio speakers. Takže ďalšia vec je, že keď si objednáte tento Economy Light, tak možno vám ponúknú tento Economy Classic, keď budú mať akože voľné miesta a voľnú batožinu. A toto vám možno ponúknú za nejakých 250 alebo tak, takže to by som asi zobral potom, lebo za tých 30 eur sa oplatí 23 kg. Ja mám vždycky rád, keď si môžem priniesť niečo ako napríklad tieto basáky, ktoré som nainštaloval do týchto lacných reprákov z second hand market. Takže toto je jedna vec, jedna spoločnosť, keď chcete letieť do Bangkoku. Samozrejme odporúčam pre každého, kto má peniaze a kto má čas, najlepšie sem prísť na veľa mesiacov, buknúť si jeden let a domov môžete ísť kedy chcete. Jediná nevýhoda je, že je tu hovadské teplo. So only disadvantage is really hot here. So if you got like 33, it's okay, but if it is going to 36, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna swim a lot. Takže budete musieť plávať, aby ste sa schladili. A najväčšia sranda je, keď vidím ľudí, že si bukujú ubytovanie s teplou vodou. Keď ste tu, to je ideálna príležitosť, ako sa začať sprchovať v studenej vode, lebo tá voda není studená. Tá voda má 28 stupňov, alebo tak. So, this is another funny thing when I see people booking the accommodation with hot water here. You need to use cold water to cool down as much as possible. These local people, they take shower twice a day, at least. So, if you got depression, you can't listen propaganda, or you just pissed off of greedy people around you who's living this life like earn money, go to work and spend them on expensive services and expensive rubbish services, because really what I see the trend is whatever you want, you will get rubbish services. If you want something, I don't know, repair the roof, repair your teeth, you just pay for nothing. You just get a bunch of useless people, especially in the developed country. More the people earn there, what is the job they do there. OK, no, I don't want to talk about that, right? OK. Takže keď chcete buknúť do Ázie let, mám tam, if you wanna fly Eastern Asia somewhere else, you should go with different airlines. I got a video like 1 year ago, like the name is like Cheap Flight to Asia. So there is another airline. If you are interested, let me know in the comment. I will let you know. They are based in Singapore, so they do flights from Berlin or Athens to Singapore, and then they got, it's basically the same price, and they got short flights from Singapore, exactly like Ryanair around the Europe or Wizz Air. So from here you can go literally, you can reach Sri Lanka, India, I guess Japan as well, China. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment. I can put the link probably on another video, or I will make another video. So if you're not going to Bangkok, that will be cheaper option for you. And you can set a reminder and they will send you, like I'm getting cheap flights from them regularly. Thanks for watching.